The family of Mohamed Suleiman has been camping at the courts, literally seeking justice for Mohamed Suleiman, who was arrested and extradited to Uganda on suspicion that he was involved in the twin Kampala bombings that ripped through the crowds watching the FIFA Soccer World Cup final, killing 79 people and injuring dozens. Suleiman was picked up by 10 anti-terrorism police officers at his home in South Sea, and now they want the court to order the government to bring him back home. And they may have found reprieve, albeit a temporary one, after the High Court ruled that the extraditions were illegal and an infringement on their basic rights and freedoms. In his ruling, Justice Aggrey Muchelule noted that no exceptional circumstances, whether state or war or terrorist actions, warranted the treatment accorded to the suspect, but that is as far as the wheels of justice can get, as the matter is now out of the jurisdiction of the Kenyan court. This ruling comes hot in the heels of yet another stinging attack on President Kibaki in a ruling made by Justice Mohamed Warsame, who observed that he had done little in protecting the constitutional rights of Kenyans. These occurrences have stirred deep passions among Muslims and human rights activists who held demonstrations to protest the rendition of 13 Kenyans to Uganda on allegations that they were involved in the twin bombings in July. The Muslims have faulted President Kibaki and Prime Minister Raila Odinga, saying that they contravened the new constitution by allowing the Kenyans to be taken to Uganda for trials.
They have arrested, harassed and illegally extradited Kenyans against the laws of the country and internationally accepted human rights principles.
Kenyans who were arrested are now being held at the Lucira Maximum Prison. Muslim human rights activist Al-Amin Kimathi is still being held by Ugandan authorities. Kimathi was arrested along with Kenyan advocate Mbugua Mureithi in Uganda, where they had travelled to observe a hearing of 6 Kenyans charged with terrorism. A total of 38 people from Uganda and abroad have been arrested and charged. Sheila Sendeyo, Citizen Live at 9.